Baby, yeah. How y'all doing out there? I say, here's this crazy old man again, and old man again. Yes, he is. Anyway, check this out. I got this new song to start you off, catch your attention so you don't go nowhere. So, my son brought a friend over here one day. Of course, he was coming to get a couple dollars, okay? But he really wanted me to hear this young lady sing. So, what he did was he brought her over here, and he said, I want her to sing this, because my father going to try to get you to do original, you know. Don't, come on, Daddy, I want you to hear her sing this song I like. So, I said, okay, all right. So, the lady turned on the phone, played the music, and so help me, I can't recall ever hearing nobody do it, and they told me it's somebody's songs out there, but I could have swore the song was written for her. I mean, she was dynamite. So he asked me for a couple dollars. I quickly gave him a couple dollars, and if I had more trust and belief, if I had $20, $30, $40, I might have gave it to him at that time, for real, because he brought this lady over here that could sing. And when I hear somebody can sing, I believe, I dream, I be fantasizing, oh, they could take my song and make my song so powerful. They so good. They so good. Anyway, enough of that. But anyway, in short, she sang so bad, so they was ready to leave, and I wanted to give her my card and tell her, hey, I said, baby, you know you should be winning the Grammy. I said, what are you doing? She said, I'm doing a few things, and I'm doing a few things. I said, do you got a song of your own? And she said, yeah. I said, well, I got some songs that you could take there and you could win the Grammy. I try to sell myself to her. I wanted her to know this. Deeply wanted her to know this. So make a long story short, she smiled about it. She has such a beautiful personality, a beautiful young lady. She says she's a dental assistant or something of that sort. Prettiest people I ever seen in my life. Ladies, I said, do me a favor, please. I got this music here, so can you enlighten me and just sing anything you want? Right now, the hook is called Power. Please, will you do? She said, of course she wanted to do it. I mean, she snapped right into it. Of course I would do it. I'd be happy to do it. Lord, thank you. So here she go. You tell me who she sounds like to you. You tell me whether you think she can win the Grammy. That's my art. I'm sorry. That is my art. That is my art, the Grammy. The T-H-E, right? And Grammy. Notice now, everything is together, and this is connected. This Y is connected to the M. So that's a Y. It's very, very ugly. And this is by itself. And the Y is not touching that. So that is single. They is together. So that's the Grammy. So here she is. Tell me who she sounds like. Tell me whether you think she could win the Grammy. And I'll be back.
Fast.
And by the way, if you can, put it on a speaker or wear some earphones. You might hear it better.
Alright. He feels powerful. I know it does. Power. Hey, power.
Hey y'all, wear the mask. Tell it pass. Yeah, I hope you like that. Just give me some feedback on it. I'm not gonna keep it on long because I really want to work with her and I'm hoping she come back. But yeah, I really like her. I really like her. I really like her. I really like her. Baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, yeah, baby, yeah.